Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's imagine this, realistic and cinematic quality videos generated just from text or images. Adobe just entered the AI race with a game-changing tool that could shake up the entire industry. Some are even calling it a Sora killer, but does it live up to the hype? In this video, I'll break it down for you. I'll show you how exactly you can use this and compare its power against any existing video generators. Can Adobe really take the crown? Let's find out. Watch till the end for a mind-blowing demo. Go to your Google browser and look for Adobe Firefly and click on this link. This brings you to Adobe Firefly. Let's try to create with Firefly. Let's click on create with Firefly. This should take us to firefly.adobe.com. This is where you can generate the videos. Let me give my first prompt. Just look at this user interface, explore new ways to create and see what they have already created. If you want to explore this, you can check this out and see how they have created this and see if this matches any of your requirements. And for now, let's try to give a prompt here. To give the prompt, you just have to type in here. I have my prompt ready. I'm just saying a futuristic cityscape at night glowing with neon lights and shades of blue, flying cars of zoom and stuff like that. I'm just giving a fancy prompt which it has to generate. So let us just try to click on generate and see what does it do. So it is asking me to sign up. I'm going to use my Google account as usual. Just hit on Google and it should take you through signing in. So you are in. So now it is telling you can create. Okay, perfect. I agree to this. And Firefly fast 3 fast moving. Okay, that's fine. Let me just try to click on generate and just say get started. So it is generating the video right now while we speak. You can also do some changes here, like the aspect ratio is something which you can change to portrait if you want. You can, the frames per second, shot size, what shot size do you want, you can change that. You can explore this. And right now I'm just using the free account. So if you see, I still see the upgrade button here. While it is generating, I'm just trying to show you what all features it has. And there are some advanced settings, but this pretty much gives you a good space to try it out. So this is what I have asked for it: a futuristic cyberpunk cities at night glowing with neon lights and shades of blue, pink and purple, flying cars zoom past, towering skyscrapers covered with halogenic advertisements. This is what it has generated. It took around a minute. Let me just click on this. Wow, this is beautiful. Let me put it on a full screen. Just look at what it has generated. A 5-second video about neon lights and high skyscrapers with buildings and stuff. This is incredible stuff. Let's try one more prompt and see what it does. The first creation looks really incredible, right? So with that said, let us try to give one more prompt and see. Let me head back. Just click on this back button. This should bring you back to the same place where we gave the prompt. Whatever you have created, you can find under files here. If you see, the generation history shows what you have generated before. That was my first video. Let me go back here and give one more prompt. I want to create one more video, let us say, and let me give the prompt. I have given the prompt for like a transformer. I'll show you that. So I'm telling, create a full scene, eye level wide shot, a giant mechanical machine with yellow and orange armor in absolute streets, wires, LEDs, cybernetic parts, high quality and high details. I got this from ChatGPT. You can create your own prompts of what you want. Right now it is generating that. It took about a minute and the generation just got completed. Well, look at these results. This is what it has generated. Just one prompt has generated this. Well, what do you think? Is Adobe about to dominate the AI video space? Drop your thoughts in comments, and if you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe and stay tuned because I'll be testing more AI tools as soon as they drop. See you in the next one.